So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix error number 151 on your ThermoMix TM7 that says that the Thermomix was switched off irregularly. If that problem occurs, then you have probably powered off your device not by pressing on the button, and instead you just kind of unplugged it from the power, or there was a power outage. Now remember that if you want to unplug your device from power, you should first turn it off by pressing and holding on the power button, wait until the screen goes off, and only then unplug it from power. If there's a power outage, you can't avoid it, of course, and then you can just simply ignore that error. But in most cases, make sure it's just your habit to first turn off the device, and only then after it's turned off, then you should unplug it if you want to unplug it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.